It's the early hours of the morning in Geneva. Most people are still asleep, the streets are quiet, but the city is already at work. At this time of day, small street cleaning vehicles begin to move slowly through the roads. These machines sweep the pavements and collect dust, leaves and any waste left behind from the previous day. A little later, larger trucks arrive. Some of them collect rubbish from across the city, while others spray powerful streams of water onto the streets, washing the pavement and leaving everything clean for the new day. It may seem like a simple job, but in reality it is part of a highly organized urban system. Swiss cities schedule these cleaning operations during the early morning hours to avoid traffic, reduce noise and keep daily life running smoothly. By the time people leave their homes to go to work, school or catch the tram, the streets are already clean, organized and ready for the day. It's a detail that many people rarely notice, but it says a lot about how a society functions. A clean city is not only the result of public services doing the job. It is also the result of planning, discipline and respect for shared spaces. When you observe this level of organization in cities like Geneva, it inevitably makes you think about other parts of the world. Take Venezuela, for example, a country with enormous natural resources and cities that could operate just as efficiently if strong institutions, urban planning and civic responsibility were consistently maintained. Often, the difference between countries is not simply wealth. It is how societies organize themselves to protect and care for what they have. And while the city slowly wakes up, these workers and machines have already done the quiet work. Because in a well-organized city, the day begins long before the sun rises.